Humber Car Factory, Humber Road, Beeston, Nottingham. On the wall of the Karate Dojo building on Humber Road in Beeston are logos of the old Humber cycle manufacturers and a blue plaque commemorating these formerly industrial buildings' original use for making cycles and some of the earliest automobiles made in the UK. In 1904, Dorothy Pullinger's father Thomas was recruited from Sunbeams to manage the Humber factory at Beeston near Nottingham. Thomas knew Humbers from their bicycle manufacturing days, as Martin Rucker, owner of Humber, then one of the major bicycle manufacturers in England, engaged Pullinger to undertake a fact-finding mission to France, where they had hopes of a partnership with a French firm, Gladiator Cycles. That project fell through, which led to Thomas starting his early automobile design career in France. Humbers had factories in both Beeston and Coventry. However, Thomas Pullinger was very anti-trades union and introduced new American methods, presumably Henry Ford's ideas, and there was a strike after he installed new machinery and didn't re-employ some of the more difficult trades union men. A Beeston-made Humber represented the company in the very first tourist trophy race on the Isle of Man in 1905. In the 1908 tourist trophy race, Thomas Pullinger drove one of the Beeston Humbers himself, but did not win any prizes. The Beeston plant closed in 1908, and a disagreement between Thomas Pullinger and Humbers as to how to manage the redeployment of the surplus Beeston workers at their Coventry factory led to him losing his job, at which point he moved to Arrol Johnson's in Scotland.